Hey loves, this is Unfiltered Feminine Wisdom video 4. Stop trying to be low maintenance. Low maintenance isn't the goal. Suppressing needs creates resentment, not harmony. Don't suppress your needs. Don't be one of those women who tries to just not need anything from a man at all. Don't suppress what you desire in love. You've been single for a long time, or you've been freshly single. Of course, I'd advise if you're freshly single to spend time with yourself. But for women who are single, we're taking care of ourselves right now, right? We're doing pretty well. We're taking care of ourselves. We're doing good. But when we decide to lock in with a man, and now we're decided to love someone and allow them to love us, we shouldn't try to not let them love us. We shouldn't try to not let him know. We want to let him know what you want from him. You shouldn't just try to allow him to do the bare minimum. What's the point of having a relationship? You might as well just stay single, right? So if you try to do this in order to try to get love, you'll actually just end up resenting him and then kind of not feeling fulfilled because you're not allowing the space to allow him to love you or let him know what's the best way to love you and the best way that will make you feel fulfilled as a woman. So don't try to be that low maintenance, you don't need to do so much for me, type of woman. Tell a man your needs, tell him what makes you feel happy so that you can build this compound of love and then it just goes up and you guys are just having these beautiful moments and you guys are meeting each other's needs and not just suppressing the needs just to be together. That's not the way to love. Might as well just be single and have friends and then love your family. You know what I mean? There's no need. When you really want true love lasting that vibrates romance, you both parties, men and women, need to be communicating their needs and letting them know so that each other can make that for each other, and then just all of these beautiful memories of just giving and just compounds, and then all of these memories to look back on eventually when you have children and you're focused on the children and helping them get to school and stuff. You guys have all of these memories of the beginning times of your years, just you two by yourself, and all these beautiful experiences and maybe memories, dinners, trips, beach hangouts, picnics, movie times, who knows what, everything, meeting your needs, maybe going to get nails done together, couples massages, I don't know, whatever it is that you guys are into. Those are things that I like, so I'm just saying them. But pretty much don't be low maintenance. Do things together, let each other know what each other likes, and have that time together. Trust me, it's better to do this than try to be you're low maintenance and you don't need anything. You're gonna resent him in the end, and you're gonna know that there's other men out there that are treating other women better than you, than how he's treating you, but you decided that because you didn't tell him what you wanted. So then you're gonna be comparing yourself to other relationships, and why does this man do all these things for this girl, and my man doesn't do this for me? But it's because you never even let him know what you liked, So we can't show up into a relationship in the beginning and try to be all low maintenance. It's just not fun that way. You might as well stay single, Next one, the right man wants to meet you, not minimize you. Your needs matter. So the right woman who wants to love you day in, day out, forever and ever, he won't try to minimize you or make you lower and make you change and make you smaller or make you be low maintenance. He's not the right man who wants to see you happy and thrive and become even more powerful when you guys are together and just level up together and just be a powerful power couple. That man is the one you want long term, because you guys will dominate as parents and lock in, and nothing can break your relationship apart, right? No one can come and try to steal you and try to take your man away, and then no man can try to take you away from your man. Same thing. You guys are a power couple. You're strong. You guys level each other up and lift each other up. So you guys are both powerful, and so because of this, you're unbreakable. But no man, if he's already trying to minimize you or trying to do the lowest effort, it just means he doesn't see your value, and that's okay. Or he's just not ready for a relationship, and that's fine too. It's just not the right time. So then you just, you're nice about it, and you just need to remove yourself and then wish him for the best and growth, and then there's a better match for him, and that's about it. Because you need to find someone that allows you to be your best self, and the best side of you comes out when you're around them. They ignite just your power, and you're even more happy around them than ever. And then you do the same for them. They should feel even more happy around you. Same idea. And you guys level up just by being a team. Like, you're already amazing by yourself, single, right? You need to already be amazing where you're at. You've already healed. You've already done the work. He needs to be there too, and healed, done the work. You guys are already amazing by yourselves. Now when you guys come together, you guys are a level up, and then now you're like, everyone's jealous of you. People like want that. It's just how life is. People want to try to take what you have, try to come in and try to like disrupt or take your woman. It's just, people don't like when people have it all. Like, they kind of want to like test you. Even if they don't know that they're doing it, they're testing your relationship. And you just want to make sure that like a man is not minimizing you, and then you guys get together, because that relationship is not going to last. With all of the tests in this world, all of the like the demons and things over the years and years and years, and life, midlife crisis as you get older, the list goes on. Things are going to be, it's going to get worse in time. It's going to get harder, you know, with society and how it works and how it tries to break people apart. So because of that, if he's already not allowing you to be it's just not gonna, you're not gonna last. It's just, it's not gonna be fun. Someone's gonna leave the marriage. Mostly women end up leaving, right? The marriage statistic rates. So if he's already minimizing you, like, you're not gonna make it, even if you decide to marry him. Well, I don't know why you would, but some people marry for money and other reasons. It's not going to last. You don't want to do that. You want to make sure that it's the souls that you, like, you marry this guy for the soul, not for whatever he's, extravagant this, like none of that. If he's minimizing you and not allowing you to be your best self, it's not going to work. Or you're going to stay in something that you're unhappy in and just be faking just to like have that picture perfect lifestyle. And I don't think it's best to live your one life on earth like faking, right? So never let a man minimize you. Only be with men who just grow you, accelerate you, like show you how special you are. It goes both ways, right? But he needs to be actively doing that the same way you're actively doing that as well to him. It can't be one-sided either, because that ends in a man feeling like his needs aren't met and then him cheating. So same thing. This goes for both ways, but just always lift each other up, allow each other to be your best self, to wear, like, to be powerful, to show up, to be confident, to be brave, like, just help each other, level each other up. Next one is emotional honesty builds intimacy long term. Emotional honesty builds intimacy long term. Be honest with your emotions. Understand what you see in this man. What he brings to you. What do you feel when you talk to him on text? How do you feel when you talk to him over the phone? If he does get to the first date, how do you feel with him in person? Be emotionally honest with yourself, and this will allow that development of like trust and intimacy over time. We can't be too closed up. I know we've been through situations, most women have been hurt, but we still need to have that like open trust and emotion, like being aware and self-aware of how we're feeling. We're no longer in the past. Of course, we need to protect ourselves, but the past does not exist anymore. We're seeing this new, fresh man right in front of us. We need to be honest with ourselves. How are we feeling? Nothing to do with the past, just this man right here. Take it for what it is, how you're feeling, and then move accordingly. Is this going to be long term? Can you feel it? Even if you're scared, everything from the past is saying don't do it because look what happened last time. But if everything is going well and this man has done the work and he's here to take you, like he's here to pick you, he's picking you. Like he's chosen you, he wants to make the effort and let's go out to dinner, and like he wants to show you that he's the one, he's going to take care of you for the rest of your life, and he wants you. Be aware, like make sure that he really wants you for you, and that it's not just because he needs to get into another relationship. Like make sure he's at a place where he's ready, and be honest with yourself if it's feeling good, so you guys can build that intimacy long term. Number 4, love grows through expression, not silence. So in order to love, this is an interesting one because nowadays people are really busy and we do things, but in order to actually build love, we have to communicate. So it's an interesting thing because some people play hard to get. There's many different ways of thinking about this, and there's many different paths it can go down with love and how love grows. It's not like one fixed way that's like this is the way that just love and romance happens. It's going to be multiple different experiences for different people who've got to marriage, right? But for the most part, as long as there is expression and like communication, that is what's going to lead to to like love, and then eventually marriage. Because you guys not talking as much and staying silent and just being there, or just moving through life, just existing and just watching each other, just being there, like it's not gonna, it's not a story like a movie. If you went to like the movie theaters and it was just like there wasn't like as much conversation, you kind of would want to like, you would rate it like 1 star. Like there's not something, there needs to be substance, there needs to be like memories, there needs to be movement, there needs to be a storyline. That's what love is, and that's what romance is, and it's building, and it's every single time you see this person, there's another memory, there's another experience, and there's another just life, but there's communication and there's laughter, even if it's not like extravagant, even if it's not like going like to the beach or on a trip or something, but it's the emotional communication, just words being passed back and forth. You can just be sitting on the beach for like 8 hours together, tanning or something, or having an umbrella, and then you guys could just have this memory for the rest of your life, literally just sitting on a beach. You'll never forget this day with this person. Why? It's because the love was growing. Everything you guys were feeling with that amazing day, it wasn't just about the place and the things you did, it's about everything that was said on that beach under that umbrella together for 8 hours. You guys got lost track of time, and then it's just a memory you guys will always have together. You know what I mean? Like it's deeper. So just remember that love doesn't happen through silence, is pretty much obviously. But I just want you guys to think about that, just something to be aware of. So remember to communicate and to like tap in and like ask how people are doing. How was your day? Did anything happen at work? Like this little things. This is like just the conversating. It's just being there. It's like growing. It's like love. It's just like showing up for someone. It's like caring about someone's life. When most people are like, watching movies, doing things that they care about, it's sometimes people don't care about people's lives as much. And what your life partner is someone who cares about you and your life. Out of anyone in the whole entire world that doesn't care, most people don't care, they're doing their own thing. This one person chose to marry you every day and care about you and care about your life. And then the other person chose to care about you and care about your life. And you guys are the only 2 people on planet Earth like that care about each other's life. And even the quiet, like chill things, like, I got, I did good at my job, I did this, and I helped someone. Like just this, like nothing, like it's just like the little conversations, like, but they care about you and no one else cares. You see what I'm saying? It's kind of insane to think about, but that's really that's what's so beautiful about having a life partner too. It's like that person like wants to hear everything, wants to know everything of you, and vice versa. The female reset, state 1 need. Right now, I want you can write this down to the pen. State 1 need that you need from a man. Like that's one thing that you're going to need. So then you can eventually tell him one of your needs, because you deserve this, because why even be in a relationship without this? Like we need to fill our needs. We can't suppress them and be like, we don't need anything from a man. We might as well just stay single, right? So right now, speak 1. There's going to be more of them down the line, but if you're uncomfortable with this conversation already, just right now think of one thing that you would need, that like, if you had this life partner for life, for the rest of your life, no other man ever again will be helping you with anything. Like you won't go ask another man to help you. Like this is going to be your man for life. And he's going to help you and he's going to meet your needs, right? You're not going to have like 4 men meeting your needs at different times of your life. Imagine the jealousy. Imagine the kind of disrespect to your husband if you're getting needs from other men. So think of those needs that you're going to need that you want to tell him now, so that you don't go looking for it when you're married and then cause chaos or cause problems or lose love or lose trust in your relationship or to marriage. Think of 1 need. I'm just asking only 1 need. Here are some affirmations for you to use. My needs are valid. I don't minimize myself. Expression builds intimacy. Speak up gently. This is video 4, Unfiltered Feminine Wisdom. Expression builds intimacy. Oh, I love that. Express yourself, be passionate, be real, be brave. Don't filter, just be you. Be your most authentic self. You're going to marry this person one day. Why would you not show up this person right now? Show up your person that you're going to be forever, like now. If he likes you, then like you're set. You can literally have a marriage for the rest of your life, and this person loves you for you. So let's not like show up in any other way. Be real, be you, be raw, communicate, express your soul, express yourself passionately. This will build your love. It'll build intimacy and trust. And yeah, you're on track for lasting love. I love you guys so much. This is Unfiltered Feminine Wisdom, video 4. And I'll see you in the next one.